My job is a product marketing manager for Copilot and Microsoft 365, and I primarily build demos. So I work behind the scenes building the demos you know and love. As marketers, there's a lot of key phrases that we always need to include. It exists in things like our MPFs, our messaging and positioning framework, in our PowerPoint docs, in our pitch decks. And Copilot really consolidates all that information for us, so you don't have to keep repeating the same word. Copilot is really great in jumpstarting that for me. So for example, if I have a template that I've already created, so a template that includes your font, your company branding, Copilot is able to implement that template to every single slide. So this is something that we call narrative builder in PowerPoint. We have data across the board at Microsoft, things that sellers click. We have, viewership data. We have so many different platforms, LinkedIn, Seismic. What Copilot has done is that it's democratized Excel use. And what I mean by that is that Copilot lets you use natural language to prompt Excel. So we already know Excel is amazing at analyzing quantitative data. It's also now amazing at analyzing qualitative data. I can create powerful visuals within Copilot and using Python. And so I can just use natural language and have these powerful advanced analysis visuals within Excel. So that I can bring back to my leadership team. It looks great, and they can easily see how to pivot our marketing strategy based on the content that's being viewed. I'm really excited to see how Copilot Actions comes into play. For example, when I have a new request from a salesperson coming in about, different kinds of content I want to make. I feel like there's a world of possibilities there.